Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Resident Evil 4 Remake GPU not supported. So let's start. It's so simple and easy. So for the first step, you need to go to the Windows search bar and type in NVIDIA. You should find NVIDIA app application displayed like this. If you can't find it, don't worry. Just go to the browser and type in NVIDIA app. After that, select download the official NVIDIA drivers. Now this dashboard will open, so select GeForce drivers. After that, you'll be redirected right here. So now select download now, or you can customize the driver manually. I recommend select this button. After that, select download now. After that, make sure to install the application. Now if you go to the search again, you can find it right here. Open it, make sure to sign up with your account. This dashboard will pop up, so go to the left and select drivers. After that, make sure to check for the latest drivers, download and install them. So click install right here. After that, select Express installation for faster way and click continue to start the process of installation. Now for the next step, go to the Windows taskbar, right click. After that, select task manager, search for Resident Evil 4 Remake. Make sure to stop any process running in the background. After that, searching for your launcher where you have the game, which is Steam for me. If you find it, make sure to right click on it. After that, select end task. Now go open your launcher. After that, go to library and collections, search for your game, go to the left gear icon right here. After that, go to properties. Next, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the process to finish. Now go to the Windows icon right here and make sure to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.